We reject the introduction of these ideologies centered on gender and other alien practices which go against our African culture and our religious heritage. We view this agenda as an intent to corrupt our young people and enslave them to foreign ideologies, for example, same-sex union and active homosexual activities. Number 3, crisis of National Hospital Insurance Fund, NHIF. We, your shepherds, and indeed all people of goodwill, are deeply concerned about the growing debt of NHIF to be paid to our health institutions across the country. In fact, many of our health facilities and other faith-based health facilities have been experiencing a serious crisis of NHIF non-payments to a point where it is difficult to procure medicine or pay salaries. If this situation persists, it threatens to cripple important services and therefore deny our people the health care due to them as a right. After raising this issue and seeking urgent intervention of the government, we are hopeful a solution will be found as soon as possible. Conclusion. Dear Kenyans and all people of goodwill, we, your shepherds, believe that it is possible to win the war against corruption, to say no to evil tendencies, to work towards a new and just society. As we break the chains of corruption, we break the vicious circle of evil and begin to live. As the book of Psalms exhorts us, today, if you will hear